I feel so sad.
Why do you feel sad, my love?
Because I don't see the colors anymore.
You don't see colors anymore? Tell me more.
See all in black and white.
I hope you are mistaken, my love, because even in black and white, there is a universe of colors. I think I'm gonna show it to you.
Antonio Biasiucci, one of contemporary Italian photographer that create powerful and intense images that are an abstraction of the reality.
Alfred Stieglitz, have your hands shaking thinking about him. He's the grandfather of all artist photography. He promoted photography as an art form the whole life with his unstoppable determination. We really owe very much to him.
Mario Giacomelli, a master Italian photographer, an artist that dedicates his life to create emotional and strong contrast.
Aaron Siskind, it's amazing how, with such a defined, strong style, he can convey different meanings and emotions.
Jan Sudek, the photographer of The Flash, an underdog artist that focus his work on a relationship about humans.
Gustave Le Gray, one of the most important early photographers, his images are still powerful and amazing, and he was an innovator, a great technician, and a magnificent artist.
Bullock, an American photographer, a man that photographed the wonder in front of nature and the time in landscape.
Mimmo Jodice, one of the greatest Italian artist photographer, he did a lot of work showing us that photography is a representation, that the meaning is in the act and not in the subject.
Woodman, in this work, The Pair, shows us the both constructive and destructive side of the human's nature.
Josef Sudek is a man who was lucky enough to pass through all the modification and advancement in photography, from early pictorial photography to the last work of pure conceptual art.
Toshio Shibata, a contemporary Japanese photographer, the man used the time and light in these photos.
Irving Penn, he's a great master, one of the greatest photographers of all time. He did everything magnificently, and with always a touch that brought his images out of the cliches, irony, powerful political insight, a master.
Pettis Ammallati, a man that uses the relationship between humans and dog to talk about human emotions.
Rainier, he wanted to document disappearing culture, religion and spirituality, and he traveled all the world to show us something that disappearing with magnificent pictures.
How do you see it? Dreams gone, fading fire, moving on. Why do you need it? When waves come.
Black and white has no colors. Is it sad for this? Or maybe this lack of color making it a little more detached from reality enables it to render the whole palette of the human emotions?